Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to living my solo van life. Hope you're all doing well and I hope if you have followed me, or if you do follow me on Facebook, I've got a new page out, it's my solo van life. So I'll put a link in the description, or you can just pop onto Facebook and just type in my solo van life. Anyway, plug is over. What have I been up to this week? Well, I've been working quite hard actually, and I've been faffing around in the van. Now, talking about electrics, my batteries are absolutely tip top. At the moment, we are on 91% and the hot water is on and everything is hunky-dory, and I've still got 91% and we're still charging because it's a lovely day. We're only charging at 435 watts, but that's good enough. Anyway, I've been having loads and loads of showers because I've got loads of hot water, and I must admit, having a shower in a van, for me, is just one of the biggest bonuses. Right, so if you remember, my Turbo GX screen is there and my GX extender was in the bedroom. Now, I didn't think it was a very good idea to put it in the bedroom, to be fair, so I've moved it. So I've had to once again faff around with my electrics, and if you notice in the back here, I've got a screen now. Rob gave me that from Pack Van and Go. He bought it for me as a present, so thank you, mate. I really appreciate that, and I just got to put a little bit of trim up there, or paint that bit black and it'll be hunky-dory. So what I've been doing in the back, once again, you have to excuse this trike, this is my child's trike. So you can see that I've taken off the top, what you would call it, electrical conduct, and I've put a Turbo GX extender next to the Turbo, so that just plumbs straight in. And the reason why I've done that is because it controls my bedroom lights, which I can do from the screen here. Also, it is now going to control, if you notice, I've got some lights up there and one up there, and the same the other side. So hopefully I can control all my lights directly over VRM, and because I can look at the cameras, I can just turn them on wherever I am, as long as I've got Wi-Fi signal. So that is it. That is all I've been doing. Nothing much, apart from trying to build this, which is basically, it's going to be an electric trike. I've already fitted a motor, I've already fitted the electrics. Just got to attach this seat with these. I've got this bar, so that's going to sit under there and then bolt on. But that's what I've been doing. So not much really, and it's still, in my eyes, a bloody mess. So that is it really. Nothing much. It's going to be a short shit video, but in all fairness, I have been very busy at work. So the van is looking extremely grubby, and it's just, it is what it is. It really is. But yeah, that is it. That is it, unfortunately. Not very exciting, just a little few updates. And once again, I'm living my best solo van life. I love it, absolutely love it. If you watch this video and you think, what the hell is he going on about? Just try it. Living in a van is so much freedom. Unbelievable. Look at me, I'm happy, I'm beaming. I haven't been like this for a very long time. So I just want to say, if you are watching and you've never experienced van life, just try it. If you don't like it, you can always go back to bricks and mortar. So there you go. This is me, 55-year-old bloke, living happy as Larry in a fully self-converted Sprinter van with a shower, massive double bed, TVs, gadgets galore, and they all work seamlessly. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Also, if you want to become a member, it's only 99p a month, and I'll chuck out extra content. And you can hype the video now, and I do sometimes put quizzes on. So if you see a quiz on the page, have a look, have a giggle. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out, happy days, summer's coming.